I'm Amy Dunker at Clarke University. Welcome to Trumpet Quick Lessons. This is the Vander Cook Etudes for Cornet, number 7. This one is about 2 rhythms. It's about the dotted 8th 16th, and I practice those with 4 16ths, 8th 2 16ths, and then the dotted 8th 16th, and I keep repeating it, so it helps me place exactly where that 16th is supposed to be. So I keep repeating that until I really feel comfortable with it, and usually with a metronome, and then you'll have the feeling of the very beginning. The other tricky part of this one is if you look at the second measure, you've got a dotted quarter 8th. So you don't want to make that 8th too short. You don't want to make it like a 16th. So that one has to be 3, 4, and 1. Ba, 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 ba. So. You have to make a difference between the dotted 16th and the dotted quarter 8th pattern. So pay careful attention to that, and that will serve you throughout the rest of the etude.